Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a flowchart directly in Google Docs. So first, you have to place the cursor where you want to insert the flowchart later. I'm going to put it here and then navigate to the insert menu, select drawing, and then click new. So this is the feature in Google Docs that allows us to create almost anything, including a flowchart. So to first create a flowchart, you have to click on this shape menu, shapes, and then this area is really dedicated for a flowchart. These are symbols for a flowchart. Let's start with a terminator. To draw a shape, you have to click and drag the mouse, and I highly recommend to hold the shift key on the keyboard to make sure that the shape is proportional regardless of the size. So let's do that. Okay, I think this is perfect. And as you can see here on the toolbar, there are some customizations available for this symbol. You can change the color, the border thickness, the border style, and some other options. But I'm going to skip the visual customization because that's a bit too long for this video. So I'm just giving you the general overview about inserting or creating a flowchart with Google Docs. And by the way, to add some text on this symbol, you can double click on it, and then you can start typing like that. So that's simple, right? And if you want to add another symbol, click this shape icon again, shape, and you can add another symbol. Again, the process is the same. You can hold the shift key on the keyboard to make sure it is proportional. And let's move it to be around here. And let's add some name. And of course, you can also just copy the symbol quickly. If you don't want to redraw everything from scratch, you can right click on it and click copy and then paste it anywhere you like. And let's move it here. There you go. Right, now it is time to add some arrow that is connecting each step of the flowchart. You can use this line feature and you can draw a straight line. And there you go. To add some pointy arrow at the end, you can click on this menu and then you can select the type of arrow that you want to use. Let's do the same for the next step. Right, so this is the basic of the flowchart. Of course, you can add some text using the text box, but this is usually very useful for a option, yes or no, usually. Well, let me give you an example. And just copy. I'm going to copy this and paste. Of course, this is not a real flowchart. I'm just giving you a general idea about how to create one. But yeah, that's basically all the tools that you would need to create a flowchart in Google Docs. And when you're done, you can click save and close, and it will be inserted into the document. So yeah, that's basically the general overview, the simple way to create a flowchart in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.